Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna YouTube channel. Greetings to all. Today we are going to see some interesting job opportunities which is applicable for both freshers and experience. So yes, we are going to see multiple companies job openings today, which means in this video. Yes, let's see one by one. This is as usual our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying in my previous video as well, I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. I'm not advising to anyone to pay amount to get a job. Okay, I'm not the responsible for that one. Yes. Okay, let's jump into the original job vacancies. Yes, the Vestas off campus. Okay, they are just hiring for the freshers. The company Vestas, you know very well, right? So which is basically the manufacturing company. Their major product is called wind energy. This is the much I just know. So there they are just hiring the quality engineers. It's a full-time opportunity. Job code also they have given. So if you want to apply, anyone if you want to apply this job, please do apply. I just given this link into this slide as well as I just mentioned in the description box. You just apply over there. Yes, if anyone wants to apply, if anyone wants to get the job manufacturing plus IT field, please grab this opportunity. Do not miss at any cost. Okay, so they are just looking for 0 to 3 years, which means they are just looking freshers. Generally they are just looking for the freshers. Location is Chennai OMR, which is located to the Navallur. So please try to grab this opportunity. Do not miss this one. Why? Because which is the manufacturing company, along with the manufacturing company, which is IT field. Okay, so I hope the job security is well and good comparing the IT companies. Yes, ZuciTech is hiring for the QA engineer. So job family is coming under the QE engineers. Okay, experience they are looking for 1 to 9 years. Especially they are looking for mobile and web testing. So they are looking for the PST hours. Okay, specific shift timing. Okay, so anyone want to work 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. please apply this job. Preference they are looking for the immediate joiners. Those who are already serving in the notice period, please apply this job. Okay, in case you are having the very good experience in the mobile and web testing. Yes, so if you want to apply this job, please send your CV to this email ID. As usual, the same email ID I just added into my description box. You can get it from there. Yes, the third is Teradata off campus. Okay, Teradata also hiring for the freshers. Okay, which is job role is software engineer. Type is full time only. Yes, the experience they are looking for 0 to 3 years. Okay, which is coming under the fresher category only. So job ID also they have given. The link is available here. You can get it in the description box as well. Please apply this job, which is also very good company, which is located to the Hyderabad. Yes. Charge Point also hiring for the off-campus technical support engineer. Okay, they are looking for the 0 to 3 years freshers. Job ID also they have given here. Yes, the next job is Exaware hiring the experienced professionals. Okay, they are just looking for the 4 to 2 days of experience. Simply what you need to do, simply register the given link and finish your online assessment. So once you get shortlisted, they will announce the result for within the 48 hours. Then you are eligible for the technical interview. Once you got shortlisted into the technical interview, then you can get your offer letter within 72 hours. They are just mentioning. So just a quick fire, rapid fire I can say. So you can able to get the job within the 72 hours. Everything is fine. Okay, so Hexaver, you know very well, right? Hexaver is a very good MNC company, so no one want to miss this opportunity. Please do apply. The role they are looking for: Java full stack engineer, 7 to 9 years; Azure data engineers, 4 to 12 years; data integration leads. So whoever having this eligibility, please try to apply this job. Why? Because it's a Hexaver. Okay, so that's why I'm just asking you to apply. Try to get this job. Please try to attend the online test. Once you are shortlisted, then they will call for the technical interview. Once you clear the technical interview, then they will release the offer letter, which is going to happen within the 72 hours they have mentioned in their profile. But within 2 to 3 days, they will release the offer letter. See if everything is fine. Yes, the another company is called Unified Infotech. They are just hiring for the senior automation engineer. Minimum the experience they are looking for 5 years. Okay, they are looking for the very good knowledge in Selenium, Java, or Python, and C++, SQL, TestNG, Cucumber, Git, okay, JMeter, and Postman. So job location is Kolkata. So which is actually they are looking for the hybrid mode. So if anyone having the criteria which is meets for them, please try to apply this job. The below mentioned email ID. Yes, another job is called Sprinkler. They are also hiring for the off-campus. The experience they are looking for 0 to 3 years. The role is production support. Okay, whoever having some interesting to get a job in the support side, which is not the company the development, which is coming under the support jobs. Okay, please do apply this job. Job ID is full time. Job ID also they have given here. Yes, so the next company is called AppzLogic. They are just hiring for the ETL testing engineer. Experience they are looking for 3+ years. So SQL is added advantage. Okay, so anyone having an experience in the ETL testing field 3+, please try to apply this opportunity. Do not miss this one. Okay, you can share your CV to this mentioned email ID here. As usual, I just mentioned the same email ID into my description box. You can apply over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more job updates, please subscribe to Krishna YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel, so whenever you are watching this video, right, any improvement needed from this video, please let me know so that I will just do it accordingly. Whatever the suggestion you are feeling, please let me know in my comment box. I'm ready to overcome those suggestions. Thank you so much.